the minimum safe distance for equipment operating in proximity to energized power lines that contain up to 50,000 volts is A. 25 feet, B. 5 feet, C. 10 feet, D. 50 feet. Answer: C. 10 feet. OSHA recognizes all these workers' rights except A. Working with employers to identify and correct the workplace hazard. B. Filing complaints with OSHA about hazardous workplace conditions. C. Appealing their termination of employment for violation of safety policies. D. Seeking safe working conditions without threat of discipline or termination. Answer: C. Appealing their termination of employment for violation of safety policies. What are some types of PPE that employers must pay for? A. Hard hats. B. Hearing protection. C. Non-prescription eye protection. D. All answer choices are correct. Answer: D. All answer choices are correct. OSHA's mission is to A. Ensure that all workers receive adequate workers' compensation payments. B. Ensure that all workers receive the federal minimum wage. C. To save lives, prevent injuries, and protect the health of America's workers. D. Protect the safety and health of the general public. Answer: C. To save lives, prevent injuries, and protect the health of America's workers. The body's most common responses to heat stress include all these symptoms except A. Muscle cramps, B. Nausea, C. Vomiting, D. None of the above. Answer: C. Vomiting. The GFCI fits into the standard electrical outlet box to protect ground faults. A. Disposable, B. Receptacle, C. Plastic, D. Non-conductive. Answer: B. Receptacle. Load chart ratings will differ when A. Outriggers are fully extended, B. Outriggers are half extended, C. No outriggers, picking from rubber, D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. What is the maximum length of a single ladder? A. 20 feet, B. 30 feet, C. 50 feet, D. 60 feet. Answer: B. 30 feet. Whose responsibility is it to provide and pay for personal protective equipment, PPE? A. Employer, B. Employee, C. OSHA, D. Federal government. Answer: A. Employer. According to OSHA, the means of egress requirements or specifications are applicable to which one of these workplaces? A. Buildings, B. Mines, C. Houses, D. Fields. Answer: A. Buildings. The most important: A. Color, B. Cons, C. Degree, D. Geo. Answer: D. Geo. What is the main purpose of bonding? A. To keep drums and tanks from shifting in the work area. B. To seal containers to prevent evaporation. C. To keep contents from shifting during transport. D. To eliminate the possibility of static charge between objects. Answer: D. To eliminate the possibility of static charge between objects. Examples of workplace discrimination can include, but are not limited to: A. All are examples of workplace discrimination. B. Demoting. C. Firing or laying off. D. Reducing pay or hours. Answer: A. all are examples of workplace discrimination. Federal OSHA requires the employer to initiate and maintain such safety and health programs to ensure a safe and healthful place of employment. A. Never. B. Sometimes. C. Only for governmental agencies. D. True, for all places of employment. Answer: D. True, for all places of employment. Employees whose PPE becomes contaminated should never A. Use it again. B. Remove from the site. C. Allowed it to be laundered. D. Leave it in the change room. Answer: A. Use it again. You have the right to examine and copy exposure and records. From the options below, select the one that best completes the sentence. A. Hazard. B. Performance. C. Discipline. D. Medical. Answer: D. Medical. Which one of the following potential hazards to feet is most uncommon in the workplace? A. Frostbite. B. Compression injuries. C. Impact injuries. D. Electric shock. Answer: A. Frostbite. Gloves used for electrical work must be inspected and tested prior to use, and be certified every A. 30 days. B. 6 months. C. 12 months. D. Never. Answer: B. 6 months. Which of these confined spaces is considered to be an open-topped enclosure? A. Sewer. B. Tank. C. Silo. D. Pit. Answer: B. Tank. One of the main responsibilities employers have under OSHA is to A. Notify OSHA of any workplace injury or illness. B. Provide training required by OSHA standards. C. Reduce air pollution in the environment. Answer: B. Provide training required by OSHA standards. Underground electrical hazards are A. Easy to identify. B. Difficult to locate exactly, and may pose a serious risk to laborers and backhoe operators. C. Always marked exactly where they are located. D. Always buried in red concrete. Answer: B. Difficult to locate exactly, and may pose a serious risk to laborers and backhoe operators. In an effective program, management regards worker safety and health as which the following? A. An overhead expense that is a wasteful part of doing business. B. A fundamental value of the organization. C. An important business goal. D. Both B and C. E. None of the above. Answer: D. Both B and C. Who may install and attach lockout and tagout devices to the energy isolating device on affected equipment? A. Safety engineers. B. Authorized employees. C. OSHA officials. D. Affected employees. Answer: B. Authorized employees. During an OSHA inspection. A. Employers determine which workers are interviewed. B. Worker representatives are not permitted to accompany the inspector. C. You have the right to talk to the inspector privately. D. You may not describe safety and health concerns you have to the inspector. Answer: C. You have the right to talk to the inspector privately. Among the rights related to OSHA record keeping, workers have the right to review A. All first aid treatment forms. B. All workers' compensation forms. C. Medical and exposure records for all workers. D. The OSHA 300 log and the OSHA 300A summary. Answer: D. The OSHA 300 log and the OSHA 300A summary. Multi-piece wheel components may only interchanged if recommended by A. A competent person, B. A supervisor, C. The rim manual, D. The service manual. Answer: C. The rim manual. Which of the following is necessary training topics for employees? A. The workplace plan in case of a fire or other emergency. B. General site hazards and hazards unique to a worker's activity. C. When and where PP is required. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. Under the right to know rule, employers need to include information on which one of the following in a written and complete hazard communication program? A. Container labeling. B. Employee medical records. C. Information on OSHA's mission. D. Log of injuries and illnesses. Answer: A. Container labeling. What is the key element of any safeguarding system? A. Automation and passive safeguards. B. Regular inspection by OSHA. C. Specific and detailed training. D. Durable physical safeguards. Answer: C. Specific and detailed training. Which statement below would be most correct? A. OSHA requires that all employers have written safety and health programs. B. OSHA encourages employers to clearly document their safety and health programs. C. Written safety and health programs are always required. D. Safety and health training. E. None of the above. Answer: B. OSHA encourages employers to clearly document their safety and health programs.